What's going on, y'all? I'm just Dom, and today I'm going to do this voiceover as Diamond does her hair tutorial for y'all. As you can see right there, she got her Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. Today, she's just going to do a little braid out for y'all. You can see the curls popping. Alright, what we got? What we need? You see Creed in the background chilling. Alright, we got our big comb, tail, preferably on the end, rat tail comb. You know, pin the front of your hair up, get some of the hair out of your way. She started in the back of her hair. It's probably easier to start in the back and work your way front. That's what I see most people do when they do braid outs and twist outs and stuff like that. You know, you just comb it out. In the top, put it in some parts, big sections. It don't really matter what size the sections is in the front. You know, you just try and pin it up, get it out of the way. You use rubber bands, or you can use those little hair clips that she's using. She just got the two. She look like, I don't know, that's probably a hairstyle somebody would do in their daughter. It's not terrible. I mean, you gotta fix it up a little. Obviously, it was just some puff balls. Be cool. But then, alright, now we get into the little nitty gritty. You see, she don't got no mirror back there. You might want to get a mirror so you can make sure your box is nice and even. I mean, her boxes still came out nice and yang, you'll see. But, you know, if you want to get them real straight, get a little mirror. Right there, I was still talking, but she had her 24-hour edge tamer. You know, you're going to need that. Get it nice, get it in there real nice. Real nice. Next, we got that Don't Shrink. What's that? That's some Flash Elongating Curling Gel. No. Oh, that's by Aunt Jackie. My bad. I'm sitting here. I got the products right here because I don't really know what she's using. But so you get it and you twist that in. And you twist that in. And you twist and you twist. I don't know how her hands didn't hurt. How she had the patience to do this. I think it really took her like 3 hours to do it. But yeah. I mean, while we sit here and we watch her twist, we can chat. Y'all can comment in the below. Tell me what y'all been doing during Corona. What y'all been reading. What y'all been watching. What other podcasts y'all been listening to. If you got a nice little workout routine, you can share that with us. You know. Make sure you like, rate, subscribe these videos. It's a little different than what we usually do. We wanted to try something, you know. People out there bored. A little something. And then you just keep twisting. I mean, you get that little brush, I think it's like a wig brush. Nah, not a wig brush, but it got like plastic bristles on it. Guess they help you thin it out a little more. You see, she got the thin hairs. Yeah, you just, get your boxes nice and neat, twist up. Comb through. Oh yeah, get you a nice little water bottle just in case your hair dry up. As you're going through a process, get you a little water bottle to moisturize it back up. She also got that olive oil, the smooth and whole pudding. To put that in her braids. You don't want to put too much. Probably just like enough to cover your fingertips. You don't want it to be. I like to refer to it as being milky because that's what it kind of look like it's something super milky. So you don't want it to be too milky. Usually she has like a little towel there. If you get too milky, get some of that excess out. Because then it dries up and then your hair get all flaky and stuff. And don't nobody want no flaky hair. Yeah, man, just twist up. It's a long process, ladies. I don't know how y'all do it. I commend y'all. I can never sit there and learn how to twist my hair. I mean, I'm pretty sure I could, but I just don't got the patience to. So, snaps for y'all. See, if you look, you can see like the milkiness right there on that braid. It's a little bit. I don't know. She might wipe it out. If it's not too much, you can also leave it. It's not like a bad thing. It's not a terrible thing. You just don't want too much. You don't want it to get flaky on you. Yeah, I'm trying to talk to y'all as much as possible, but she's just twisting. Alright, now we speed up a little bit. So, yeah, she's just twisting along. I mean, that's really it. You know, keep twisting. Keep twisting. If y'all got any other videos y'all want to see us do, y'all can comment that down in the bottom. We are definitely trying to get y'all some more consistent videos. Let y'all know what y'all let us know what y'all want to see from us. See, she got about half of it done. I heard somewhere this is the same way that Dave East gets his hair done for all of his concerts. Right, now we have the top of the head. Couple more done. Couple more to do. So we all done. You see it's coming out real nice. Alright, we're getting that last braid done. And then, voila, there you go. That was Diamond's braid out tutorial. I hope you all liked it. Until our next video, Peace.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.